Hi, my name is Dolores Nelson and I live in Southampton, the UK. I was recommended to Dentafly by a friend who lives in London that I work with, and I was very hesitant of coming here. I was scared. I didn't tell my family because everybody would have tried to put me off, and I plucked up the courage and I came here on my own. And I was picked up at the airport by a lovely, lovely gentleman from Dentafly in a limousine. He was absolutely super. I felt comfortable. I arrived at my hotel, all put on by Dentafly. I was amazed with the treatment I've been given. All my teeth were very, very old, grinded down. So when I came to Dentafly, I was treated like a queen. They were very good. I had all my teeth at the back where I didn't have any. I had rebuilt, I had bridges put in, I had all my teeth crowned, and I'm amazed with the lovely attention that I was given, and I would recommend to anybody. And I am a very, very powerful person, but I was scared, but now I would come back 100 times over. Dentafly have been amazing. So thank you for Dentafly.